Hello everyone. Today I come here with a very heavy heart to ask for your support for justice for our late Sumila Rohangpi, who was mercilessly murdered. She was burnt till death. She was just a 12-year-old innocent child who belonged to West Karbi Anglong district in Assam, and she was working as a domestic helper in Raha Nagaon district, where she was eventually murdered by her own employers, who promised her a good education and a better future. Such heinous and inhuman behavior should not be tolerated at all in the society. What happened to Somali can happen to you and me. She was physically assaulted. She was snatched away from her happiness. She was snatched away from her childhood and a possible future. So let us all stand together, be united, and fight for justice so that her criminals will be heavily penalized and that such crime should not happen in the near future. I stand for justice with Somali Rohangpi. I stand with our Karbi brothers and sisters in the quest for justice. I stand for humanity. Let justice be served.